So a personal thing for me is having fancy nice seats all done and dusted up front, and then the backs looking terrible. It's just a personal thing, so we want to change that up today. But first of all, let's give it a hoover and a clean. It's probably not had one in God knows how long.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Right, let's give them a dry back. This is the first time I've ever used one of these, so this could be fun. But yeah, let's have a go.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
right, that's the rear bench done, so let's jump on, and we might as well do the recaros while we're here. We've got the equipment. If you're ever going to do this, do it. This is disgusting. That is brown sludge. Yeah, that is not healthy. But once it gets a bit light outside, it's back now. Tomorrow morning I will jump out and have a butcher's and now I must say they came out absolutely lovely. Still a little damp, but a vast improvement from when I first bought them. Absolutely lovely. Right, so now they're all clean and dry. Back seats, we're going to jump on, we're going to chuck on some of this stuff. Fabric dye. Now let's see how well this does. All being well, this will give it a more uniform look in there rather than the grey rear and the black fronts, which, like I said, annoys the hell out of me. But yeah, let's get some spraying on and then see how we get on. Right, so it's a week later, it's less than 2 degrees here, it's absolutely freezing, but we're going to crack on and we are going to jump on, sorry, out of frame, we're going to jump on the seats again. The new dye has arrived, so we're going to try another couple of coats and see how it fares. If not, then we will have to think again about what we're going to do. But I'm hoping that another 2-3 coats and it'll be nice and black how I want it to, so it matches the back seats, sorry, front seats.
I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. When you need my voice.
So it's gone on a bit darker, that coat. We'll continue on and go from there. And there we go, that's the third bottle on it. It actually looks darker than it does in the picture, in the video, sorry. I'm going to leave that to dry for a few hours and then we'll pop back in and see what it's like. It's definitely darkening off now, more so, but I may put the fourth bottle on it and go from there. But yeah, starting to look how I wanted it to. Right, so this is the last coat, hopefully. It's had a fair few, to be fair, more than I actually anticipated. Looks quite grey in the video, but it is actually really dark. but we'll come back and we'll visit it once it's dried out. It's still quite wet. It's much better, much darker than everything else, which is good, which is what I was after. It's not as dark as I would hope for, but it's still much better. I'll leave a link in the description for the Autobrite dye, and if you wouldn't mind leaving us a like and subscribe if you've got any value out of this, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care, everyone.